Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine will reach hospitals and other sites across the United States tomorrow morning, a top official said, ready to be injected into the arms of millions of the most vulnerable Americans as the world's death toll reached 1.6 million. Media reports said the most imminent start of the mass vaccination campaign in the world's hardest hit country came as Italy overtook Britain as the European nation with the highest coronavirus death toll. Mortality rate among infants and those under 5 years of age has improved, but malnutrition among children has worsened, according to the 5th National Family Health Survey. According to a release by the Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan, the neonatal mortality rate per 1,000 live births has dropped in 15 states and union territories in comparison to NFHS for 2015-2016, while the infant mortality rate (IMR) and the under 5 mortality rate (UMR) fell in 18 states and union territories, the NFHS 5 showed. Mumbai Police today arrested Republic TV Chief Executive Officer Vikas Khanchandani in the fake TRP scam. Police said crime branch officials arrested Khanchandani this morning from his residence as per the media report. He will be produced before the holiday court in the afternoon today. The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP, which has won 9 seats in Bodoland Territorial Council BTC polls, is likely to join hands with the United People's Party Liberal UPPL to form the council. According to a media report, as no party could cross halfway mark, BTC will witness a coalition rule for the first time. Sri Lanka has recorded the highest number of elephant deaths in the world due to the elephant-human conflict, according to a media report. The Island Nations Committee on Public Accounts (COPA) has ordered a special audit into the human-elephant conflict by renowned elephant expert Dr. Prithviraj Fernando, the head of the Centre for Conservation and Research. The number of Delhi COVID deaths countrywide dropped below 400 yesterday, only the third time since July 2nd when fatalities were reported at this level. A media report said with 391 new deaths, toll mounts to 1,43,019 in India in the past 24 hours. India has reported 30,254 new COVID cases yesterday, pushing the tally to 98.5 lakh. The total active cases stands at 3,56,546, according to the Union Health Ministry. A joint team of Special Operations Group SOG and District Voluntary Force VDF of Orissa Police killed 2 Maoists, including a woman cadre in Malkangiri district early this morning. According to media reports, Director General of Police Avay said at around 4:30 am, a joint team of SOG and BDF were on a routine exercise near Singaram Forest at Gajal Mamuri village when they came under fire.